OneDesk is a unique application that allows you to manage end-user support, project management, and even quoting and invoicing. Let me show you around. If you haven't already, sign up for a free 14-day trial. Once you've logged in, you'll see something that looks like this. This is the Get Started window, and it is always available for you to reference in the top navigation. The Get Started menu has a few sections to help you learn about OneDesk, but for now, I want to bring your attention to the Quick Setup. The Quick Setup guides you through the essential steps to set up your account. While you may want to adjust some details afterwards, you will be able to use OneDesk right away. On the left, second icon from the bottom, you will find our Help widget. You can ask the AI agent or our support team any questions. Here, you can also access other help features, like the AI integrated knowledge base and onboarding guide. Once your quick setup is completed, you will start to receive tickets in OneDesk. Tickets can be found under the Ticket app in the left-hand navigation. Here, you can assign the ticket, update the status, reply to the customer, or start an internal conversation with your team. You can also add timesheets or track activities. Tickets typically represent requests, support issues, or other customer communications. Tasks, on the other hand, are for planned work, either internal or for a customer. Tasks can be found under the task icon here. Here, you can assign tasks, plan their due dates, update the status, and track time or activities. In OneDesk, all your tickets and tasks are organized into projects, found here under the Projects icon. Projects are for organizing or grouping related items. Projects represent some larger initiative, with the tasks and tickets inside building their requirements. To navigate around in OneDesk, you only need to know three things: the app you're in, like tickets and tasks, the project level you currently have selected, and the view you're in. These three things work together to determine what you're currently looking at on your screen. You always know where you are by looking at the breadcrumbs at the top. So you can see that I'm currently looking at my Tasks app. I'm looking at all my projects, and I'm in the tree view. Views allow you to filter, group, sort, and define layouts for your information. Views are divided into the system views at the top here and your custom views down here. The system views consist of things like the tree view, the Gantt view, or board view. Custom views are views you've configured and saved with different filters, groupings, and columns. Customize your view by clicking the plus button and applying filters, groupings, and more. You can access popular options from the toolbar on the right side. To create anything new in OneDesk, you use the Add menu at the top here. Here, you can create things like new users, tasks, or any of the other options on the menu. The Tools menu has a variety of features for you to use. By clicking on your profile, you will find some useful links to your work. Another important app in OneDesk is the Messenger, found on the left app bar. This app centralizes all your communications in OneDesk, whether it be messages from team members, live chats, or emails from customers. You will never miss any communications when you use the OneDesk Messenger. Just post your reply here and they will get it live in a chat, posted to the customer portal, or by email. OneDesk takes care of the details. Aside from the apps we've looked at, there are apps to manage timesheets, phone calls, reports, knowledge base articles, and more. All OneDesk's apps have videos and articles covering their features if you want a deeper dive into any specific area. One final thing I'd like to point out is the administration. This allows you to configure almost anything in OneDesk, from statuses, custom fields, automations, the customer apps, and lots more. OneDesk ships with some pretty good defaults for these, so we recommend that you get some experience with OneDesk before changing settings. And as always, we are here if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you for using OneDesk.